Tired of your credit file being locked down by a fraud alert, preventing you from getting approved for loans or credit cards? This tutorial will guide you step by step on how to remove a fraud alert directly from Experian, restoring access to your credit file. The first crucial step is to contact Experian directly. You have two primary methods, by phone or online. If you choose to call, have your personal information ready. You'll need to verify your identity with Experian to prove that you are the legitimate account holder requesting this change. Alternatively, you can visit Experian's official website. Look for their consumer services or identity protection section. You'll likely find an online form where you can initiate the fraud alert removal process. Be prepared to provide proof of identity. This is a critical step to ensure Experian confirms you are who you say you are. Common forms of acceptable identification include a government-issued photo ID, like a driver's license or passport, and a recent utility bill or bank statement showing your current address. Follow the specific instructions provided by Experian's representative or on their website for submitting this documentation securely. This verification process is essential for restoring normal access to your credit file. Once Experian verifies your information and approves your request, the fraud alert will be removed. This will allow lenders to assess your creditworthiness without the need for additional verification steps, making future credit applications smoother. By following these steps, you can successfully remove a fraud alert from Experian and regain control over your credit file access.